Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my video again. This is the second day of land preparation. Got a lot of land done already by the tractor. Last time it was about 4 hours. This time it's another 4 hours again. So then we'll get ready for Landmaster afterwards and flatten out the dirt and ready for planting. I mean seedling first and then planting. But there it is. And I'm building a wood deck here at the top. That's Gamay, Lovelin's brother. He's helping me out. And Gary Boy. So this will be nice and pretty when I'm done with it. There it is. There's the house. This is like a rest area that I'm planning. It's an open nipa, and then in the back I'm gonna build a glamping that can fit about 4 people. Sleep 4 people in it, as if somebody wants to camp here for a night. Then we can do it over here, and it's very nice and overlooking the whole Matagob area here. From here you can even see Boundary Peak from here. It's over there, yeah, right there, that part. That's Boundary Peak. That's my chicken coop down there. The pond. It's all a pond for now. The house. The goat. But the goat, I let the goat free range for now, because I'm thinking of putting the goat on top. So there it is.